In this lecture, we will discuss illustrative examples uh, for the system of linear equations. Consider the system of linear equations 3x minus 2y equal to 7, 2x minus 2y equal to 2. Uh, I'll explain how we solve the system of linear equation using matrices. First, we use the inverse method. Uh, First, we write matrix representation of this system of linear equations as 3 minus 2, 2 minus 2. This is the coefficient matrix into xy equal to 7, 2. Okay, so this is the matrix obtained from the right side. Now, first we find the determinant of A. You know that is minus 3 into minus 2 into 3 into minus 2 minus 2 into minus 2. Again, that is 4. So that will be minus 2. Then determinant is non-zero. Then we can say that the coefficient matrix 3 minus 2, 2 minus 3 is non-singular. Then inverse exists. And we write adjoint of A is equal to minus 2, 2, minus 2, 3. This is the easiest way to write adjoint of a 2 by 2 matrix. We interchange the diagonal and change the sign of the off diagonal. Then A inverse is 1 by determinant A into adjoint A, that is equal to minus half into minus 2, 2, minus 2, 3. Now we consider the linear equation, system of linear equation Ax equal to B. Then x can be written as A inverse B by multiplying A inverse from the on the both side. Here this A is the coefficient matrix 3 minus 2, 2 minus 2, and x is xy and B is 7, 2. Now x is equal to minus half into minus 2, 2, minus 2, 3 into 7, 2, that is B. Then when multiply these two, you will get minus half into minus 10, minus 8, that is equal to 5, 4. So this is the values of x and y in this equation. When you substitute these values in the given equation, you will get the identity here. Now we will explain how we get the same solution using elementary operations on the coefficient matrix and the matrix B. For that we consider the same equations 3x minus 2y equal to 7, 2x minus 2y equal to 2. We translate it into the matrix equation. So the coefficient matrix is 3 minus 2, 2 minus 2 into xy equal to 7, 2. So this is the matrix representation of the system of linear equations. We will solve this matrix equation or finding the values of x and y using the elementary row operations. Okay? So for that we first write the augment matrix. We need to verify the consistency of the system of linear equation. The augmented matrix is AB is equal to 3, 2, minus 2, minus 2, 7, 2. This is the augmented matrix. We will reduce this augmented matrix to its simplest form. Then we can easily find the rank of this matrix. So once you find the rank of AB and rank of A, we can say that this matrix is consistent or not. For that, first we write R1 minus R2, that is R1 changes to R1 minus R2, that is the change is only for R1. So R2 is 2 minus 2, 2 as the same as the above matrix. Then we will divide the second row by 2. First row is same as 105. Then R2 changes to R2 minus R1, that will give the first entry of the second row is 0, that is 105 and 0, 1, 0 minus 1 minus 4. Therefore Ax equal to B implies 1, 0, 0 minus 1 into x, y equal to 5 minus 4 by replacing this A by corresponding equivalent matrix. And B by the corresponding matrix 5 minus 4. Then rank of A is 2 and rank of AB is 2. Then the system is consistent. Now we can say that it has a solution. Then x from this x equal to B, we can get x equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 4. So this is the solution of the given system of linear equations.